Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking. Now in the last video I showed you how to make the glacé cherry muffins. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the chocolate sponge cake. Now it's a chocolate that has got the cocoa powder in that makes it chocolatey. For this I've got 220 grams of softened unsalted butter, and also I've got 20 grams of caster sugar. That's the same measurement as the softened butter. Now for this, beat together the butter and sugar until it's pale and fluffy. Once the butter and sugar is creamed together, then add 4 eggs, when it says add the remaining sponge ingredients, add 4 eggs. Then I've got a small pinch of salt, which is a 1/4 teaspoon. I've got a teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of baking cocoa powder, $200 grams of self-raising flour, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and finally 2 tablespoons of milk. What you have to do is to beat the remaining sponge ingredients until it is folded and combined. What you have to do is to split this cake into 2 tins. This is a chocolate sponge cake as a mixture that has been split into 2 tins as a sponge cake. Then, what we'll do is to put these in the oven for 180 for 20 to 25 minutes until they're risen. So pause the video now. I'm going to be showing you what to do next after it's been baked and done. Next of all is to make the ganache. Now I've got some 300 milliliters of double cream, which will be heated. Gently. Once it's heated up, add the hot chocolate, which is 300 grams. This should look like a ganache frosting. This is a ganache that has been combined to look glossy. This is a ganache that has been come off the oven, the boiling point. Then allow this ganache to cool for 10 minutes and then put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Once the ganache has been cooled and frosted in the fridge for a spreadable consistency, then spread a third of that ganache on a cake. Then use a knife just to spread this kind of ganache on top of this first cake. And then place the second cake on top of the first one. Then have the rest of the ganache on top of the cake layers. This is a chocolate sponge cake that I've made for you as a tutorial for today's one. So if you like this recipe tutorial, don't forget to give your thumbs up and subscribe to get the latest recipe tutorials, and comment down what recipe tutorials you want me to make in the future that we haven't done before. So, bye. See you in the next recipe tutorial video.